What is Kavach Collision Avoidance System (CAS)? Why it is in the news? Indian Railways expects to launch Kavach CAS on Mumbai-Delhi Kolkata routes by March 2025. About train collision avoidance system details and about its development. Development of Kavach CAS started in 2011 by Indian Railways and Research Design and Standards Organization (RDSO). Key developer under it. B. Rajaram, renowned for the Sky Bus Metro system. Field trials commenced in 2014 with final approval granted in 2019. Safety parameters for this certified for safety integrity level 4 SIL4 operation. Its working mechanism. Under working mechanism, components are trackside RFID tags, onboard locomotive equipment, radio infrastructure. Functionality: real-time monitoring, driver alerts, and automatic braking to prevent collisions. Data inputs: location, direction, and time will be provided exactly. Event recorders: retain records for post-incident analysis. Collision prevention: alert mechanism alerts the locomotive pilot if a red signal is missed. Automatic braking: if speed exceeds 15 km per hour after a red signal, Kavach applies brakes to halt the train. Issues under it: high cost. Indian National Rupees 50 lakh per kilometer for deployment of this Kavach collision avoidance system. Low coverage. Covers only 1500 kilometers out of the total 68,000 kilometer rail network as of November 2023 data. How does CS work in ships and aircraft? Key systems for the ships. AIS, Automatic Identification System, sends and receives data on location, speed, and direction between ships and land-based stations. LRIT, Long Range Identification and Tracking. It requires ships to report location, time, and equipment every 6 hours to authorities. Data is shared with contracting governments and rescue operators via International LRIT data exchange. For the aircraft, transponders respond to radio frequency pings to build a 3D view of surrounding air traffic, alerts and resolutions. Issues: alert if another aircraft is within 48 seconds of traffic advisory or 30 seconds resolution of a collision. Radar, altimeters and obstacle detection. Monitors distance to the ground and alerts pilots about tall obstacles like towers. PYQ. With reference to bio toilets used by the Indian Railways, consider the following statements. Statement 1. The decomposition of human waste in the biotoilet is initiated by a fungal inoculum. Statement 2. Ammonia and water vapor are the only end products in this decomposition which are released into the atmosphere. Which of the following statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Please give your answer in the comment box. What is the primary function of Kavach collision avoidance system? Option A, real-time monitoring of train speed and direction. Automatic braking system to prevent collision. Communication between trains and land-based stations. Option D, recording post-incident analysis data. Please give your answer in the comment box.